Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Promoted Sandra. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to cut and sew this stylish poco top with an off shoulder and also a side slit at the sleeve. So I don't know the real name for this top, that is why I just have to call it the name you heard me call it. Now the picture on the side is the inspiration, and this one I am putting on is the one I recreated. So I decided to style it the same way the model styled it. And the good part about this top is that you can go ahead and make the shoulder like this. Can you see how it looks like? This is so beautiful. You can just make the shoulder equal instead of making it one side and off shoulder. It is still going to come out perfectly well. You can see how cute it is on me. This is looking luxury. If this is something you're interested in, then keep up watching, and please don't forget to like this video. Trust me, you're going to enjoy it. Comment on it, share. This really helps my algorithm a lot. Subscribe and turn on post notification if you want to see more of cutting and sewing tutorials video over here. I'm going to be using this crepe fabric to make this dress. I have about 1.5 yards over here, so you're going to be needing about 1.5 yards to make the top. Now let me show you how to fold it. First, you're going to go ahead and open it. Then go ahead and pick the edges of your fabric like this, right side facing each other. Then go ahead and fold it into two. Once you are done folding it into two, you are going to see that one part of the fabric is going to be closed like this. Then further go ahead and fold it downward like this. Can you see how I am folding it down? Then once you are done, arrange it properly well. Once you are done arranging it, go ahead and measure from the top to where you want the top length to get to. So for me, the top length I want to use is 19 inches plus extra 2 inches for joining allowance. So that is going to make it a total of 21. So what I measure is 21. Once I was done, I'll go ahead and iron it. After ironing it, I'll go ahead and cut this upper part open and separate the two pieces. So I've gone ahead to fold the two together. As you can see, I have about 4 pieces here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see I'm going to be cutting both the back and the front together, and there's not going to be zip on this top. So I'm going to place my tape at the top like this. I will mark half of my shoulder measurement starting from this side that is closed. Half of my shoulder measurement is 8. I will mark it like this. After marking it, I will place my tape on that point I just marked. I will add extra 1.5 inches to it. After adding extra 1.5 inches, I will just go ahead and notch it with ½ inch. Just make sure you notch your own. So from this main shoulder line, not this one, this line I mark here, I'll go ahead and measure how long I want the sleeve to be. Now, for the sleeve length, I went ahead to make use of 20 inches. So I'll mark 20 inches here like this. After marking it, I'll go ahead and add 1 inch for joining allowance. Then I'll go ahead and connect this line downward like this. Then I will cut it out on the side like this. So at this point, you can make use of any length of your choice. So I'll go ahead and remove the pins I use in pinning down the fabrics. Then I'll go ahead and open it up like this. I'll place the two of them right side facing each other. I'll make sure the part where I notch, which is the shoulder, I will pin it down like this. Then I'll pin this other side down as well. Go ahead and pin yours down. So I'll also go ahead and pin it to the end of the sleeve like this. Now I'm going to place my tape on this part where I notch, which is the neckline. I will mark 1 inch downward. Then I will also come to the hem and mark 1 inch. I will go ahead and connect the points together like this. After connecting it, I will take this to the same machine. So from this point where I notch to the hem of the sleeve, then I will come to this other side. Please pay attention to this part. I will mark 1 inch downward for sewing allowance. Then I'll go ahead and connect the points together like this. Now from this point where I notch, which is the neck part, I'm going to place my tape there and mark 5 inches to the side like this. I will mark it 5 inches. Now I'm going to take this to the same machine and sew here to here. That is the only part I'm going to be sewing. So guys, I have gone ahead to sew it. This is the neck area, as you can see. So I'm going to be taking this to the same machine now. I'll go ahead and fold it with ½ inch, then further go ahead and fold it with ½ inch and sew it round, okay, from one side to this side and sew the other side. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to open up my fabric and place it on my machine like this. Can you see it? So this is the neck part. I'll go ahead and fold this part with ½ inch, then further go ahead and fold it with ½ inch, then I'll go ahead and sew it like this. So guys, in case you have not liked this video, please go ahead and like, comment on it. If you have any question, go ahead and ask, I will respond. After sewing one part, I will turn it to this other side and also sew the other side of the neckline. Subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification if you want to see more of cotton and sewing tutorials here. Now after I was done sewing it, this is how it look like. I went ahead to iron it. Now I'm going to take this to the sewing machine now and sew this opening here. So I will just go ahead and fold it with 1/2 inch. Then further go ahead and fold it with 1/2 inch. I will sew it to the hem of the sleeve. Then I will sew the other side as well. So guys, I've gone ahead to sew it. This is how it look like. This is going to be the opening at the side of the sleeve, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and fold this side. I will take this to the sewing machine and fold it with 1/2 inch like this. Then further go ahead and fold it with 1/2 inch. I will sew it to the hem. Once I'm done sewing it, I will go ahead and sew the hem of the top like this. I will fold it with 1/2 inch. Then further go ahead and fold it with 1/2 inch. I'm going to be doing the same thing for the other side. So guys, as you can see, I've gone ahead to fold everything around. As you can see, the side, the hem, you can see how neat it is. I also went ahead to iron it, and I make sure when I was ironing it, I ironed the middle so that it will have this gator line you are seeing there. Now the way they sew this on top, they sew it like a boubou butterfly gown. Now what you are going to be doing is this: you are going to divide your bust measurement by 4. Place your tape at the middle of your fabric where you iron, where the gator line is. Then mark it to one side first like this. Then place your tape on where you mark. Add extra 5 inches. That is how free I want the boubou butterfly top to be. I will add 5 inches. I will mark it. Now from that point, I will place my tape on the shoulder line like this. I will mark 9 inches downwards. This is how wide I want the opening for the sleeve to be. I marked 9 inches. Then from that 9 inches I mark, I'll place my tape on it and mark 3 inches downward. So I am marking this at the front part of this dress. Please kindly note at the front part, because you are going to be sewing is like a butterfly, and this line I mark here is on the side that has the opening, the sleeve opening. So I'm going to pin it down and stitch it down. Then I'll place my tape on this other side here at the middle. I will divide my bust by 4. I will mark it. I will add extra 5 inches just like as I did for the other side. Then I'll place my tape at the top like this. I'll mark 9 inches. Sorry for the extension I make there. I was trying to explain something, but later on I did not use it. Now, after I am done marking it, I will come to the down part here and also mark what I mark at the top. Then I'll go ahead and mark a straight line from that 9 inches downward to the hem. I will sew it down. Mind you, this part I'm sewing is on the side that does not have opening around the sleeve. Once you are done sewing it, go ahead and iron it, which is very, very important. So guys, this is the outcome of the dress. You can see how beautiful it is. So if you know you've not liked this video, please go ahead and like, comment on it and share this video. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe, turn on post notification if you want to see more of cotton and sewing tutorials video over here. I'm going to be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye.